No destination, but it's worth a shot. You gotta let me go.
Some good lighting over here. Okay, so in this video, it's actually recorded after. It's a hair video, but I realized that I forgot to record the intro, and my intros are literally the best part in most of my videos. But so I'm just gonna show you. I'm just sitting here like I just didn't just do the whole video. I'm gonna show you my wash routine. This is gonna be a wash routine video. So with that basic intro, let's just get into it, okay? So after I get done washing my hair, I'm gonna go in and do a deep treatment, and I feel like deep treatments are really good for the hair every once in a while. So the backstory of my hair is that my hair is not fully damaged, but at the root of my hair it is extremely curly, and at the ends of my hair it's wavy. So in January I'm planning on cutting off the waves because that's the less healthiest part of my hair. So now I'm going to take a brush and make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. So when I feel like the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to go grab a bonnet so I can leave it on my head for about 30 minutes so I can lock in the heat so it can open up my follicles and pores. So after about 30 minutes, I'm gonna go wash the product out. So after washing the deep treatment out of my hair, you can see that my curls are more defined and all that. So now I'm gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner, Shea Moisture, and I'm going to evenly distribute it throughout my head. And as you can see, I'm going to show you a piece of my hair that you can see that it's curly at the root and loose waves at the end. And the end is what I'm planning to cut off in January. So when putting my leave-in conditioner in my hair, I like to section off my hair and make sure the products evenly distribute. And with my leave-in conditioner, I also like going in with an oil. And in this video, I'm going to use Jamaican oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. You just have to know what works for your hair. And when you have it evenly distributed on both sides, you're all set to go.
So that's it for this video, basically my hair care routine. Hope you guys like and subscribe and all that.